Hey guys, Jeremy CS Speaks here. I'm with my friend. You're showing your face now. I'm with my friends in the house right now. Let's do that. So, we watch him play with my trouble. So, let's get into it. Oh, look at those moves! Yeah, get those. Sorry guys, just a little bit. Bro. Come on. No, don't lose the ball. Look how they're playing. They're playing. Man, come on, Colton. Show your face, Colton. Ooh. That's my face spinner. Got another one. Hey, look at those flips. Look at those footworks, bro. Ooh. Oh. Shoot on. Oh. Pushed him to the wall. That's a foul. Come on. So, I'm going to be right back, okay? Wait, go on. I'll stop. Be right back. Okay, come on, guys. I'm high up. So, come on, Colton, come on. Those are my Jordans, bro. Right? I keep my Jordans. Colton, where's your? Oh, no. You got mail. Colton, not on YouTube, bro. Not. Scaring me so bad, man. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's a foul. Half time. You're okay now? You're leaving?
No, I'm not. No, get off me now.
Move. That was a little bit funny, but messed up though. She always does that to me. Okay, it's my turn now, okay? You vlog.
No.
Keep going.
Freaking go.
You okay, bro? She bit your hair or?
She put her freaking claw in my eyeball.
You're okay though?
She stepped on my face.
Wow. Okay, turn off the light. Oh crap, sorry Dad. What the heck I just said? Oh crap, sorry Dad. Can we get one of those? Can we both get the popsicles?
No.
Can't? How come?
Because your dad doesn't want anyone to have one.
That's crap. Bull crap. Only you?
Want the freaking treasure?
You're okay? Just kidding. Okay, so. Okay, bye guys. So, Colson? Okay, you had a good game, huh?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so. Peace!
Until someone had to step on my face. Like a freaking dog and help me.
Bye guys.